Okay, welcome back to another 2-minute video. In today's video, I want to talk to you about values and specifically how to control your values. So I have a quick practice set up with 5 boxes, and I'm going to practice my values using these boxes. On the far right, you'll see that I'm starting to shade this box in with the darkest value. And once I finish that, I'm going to move over to the left box and try to shade this in with the lightest value I can. Now that I've established my 2 extreme values, I'm going to pick the center box and try to get a value that's in between the other 2. Now I'll continue to do this for the other boxes, where each one is shaded slightly darker than the next. Now, this practice really helps you to get a feel for the pencil pressure. And that's what I want you to focus on, is how much pressure you're using in order to get that value. Okay, we're going to do one more practice, and this time I'm going to draw a long rectangle. And the goal here is to shade the rectangle from left to right, starting with the lightest value and gradually adding pressure to my pencil in order to get the darkest value. And again, the trick here is to really think about your pen pressure and gradually add pressure as you work your way left to right. And when you're done, it should look something like this.